Imagine you've been saving for months, maybe even years. You finally reached your goal, ready to withdraw your hard-earned cash. But when you try, Stash, the app you've trusted, is holding onto your funds. What gives? This is a common problem faced by many Stash users. So, today, we're diving deep into the reasons why Stash might be holding your money and what you can do about it. Before we get into the specifics, let's understand a bit about how Stash works. It's essentially a micro-investing platform that allows you to invest small amounts of money. Stash takes a small fee for managing your investments. Reason 1. Pending deposits. One of the most common reasons Stash might hold your money is due to pending deposits. When you add funds to your Stash account, it often takes a few business days for the deposit to clear. If you've recently made a deposit, it's likely that Stash is simply waiting for it to process before allowing you to withdraw. Reason 2. Market volatility. Stash invests your money in various assets, including stocks, bonds, and ETFs. When the market is experiencing significant volatility, Stash may temporarily restrict withdrawals to protect your investments. This is a common practice among investment platforms, as sudden withdrawals can have a negative impact on your portfolio during turbulent times. Reason 3. Account verification. To ensure the security of your funds, Stash may require additional verification before allowing withdrawals. This could involve providing documents like your ID or proof of address. If you've recently made changes to your account or if Stash has flagged your account for suspicious activity, they might request additional verification. Reason 4. Stash's internal policies. Stash may have specific internal policies or procedures that can affect withdrawal times. These policies can vary depending on factors such as your account type, investment choices, and recent activity. It's always a good idea to review Stash's terms of service for more information on their withdrawal policies. What to do if Stash is holding your money? If you're frustrated with Stash holding your money, here are some steps you can take. Check your account. Make sure there aren't any pending deposits or issues with your account that might be causing the delay. Contact Stash support. Reach out to Stash's customer support team for clarification. They can provide you with specific reasons for the hold and an estimated timeline for when you can expect your funds to be available. Review Stash's policies. Familiarize yourself with Stash's terms of service to understand their withdrawal policies and any potential restrictions. Consider switching platforms. If you're consistently facing issues with Stash, you might want to explore other investment platforms that offer more flexibility and convenience. While it can be frustrating when your money is held up, understanding the reasons behind it can help you stay patient and take appropriate action. Remember, Stash's primary goal is to protect your investments, and temporary holds are often a necessary part of that process. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.